Smile. Gotcha. I caught this out of the corner of my eye because it was moving fast and out of the ordinary. My brain did some quick math and I really thought that the Civic wouldn't try to pass there because there wasn't any room. Man, I was wrong. I had to brake and instinctively swerved a little, just a defensive reaction. I swore and honestly was ticked off, but in these situations, going off and getting triggered only leads to bad things. Now, I used to be younger and dumber, but I never drove like I was on the Fast and the Furious in public. I took my foolishness to an empty parking lot, practiced my 180 turns, drifting, where nobody would get hurt but me for my own stupidity.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Being in a car full of his friends and maybe showing off a little was likely a factor in his lack of respect on the road. He knew he was being an idiot while driving, and to his credit, he wasn't rude or defensive, which is a rarity. I think the fact that there was a visible camera helped, and it confused him, and he wasn't sure what to make of me. Now here's a situation where this young guy is clearly putting himself, his friends, pedestrians, and other drivers on the road at risk of injury or death. I just hope that my little example to him that he is not on his own little island, that his behavior is being watched and filmed, will deter him in the future. All we can do sometimes is hope. Now, speaking of hope, I hope that I'll be able to buy one of these one day. No, I'm just kidding. It's a waste of money. You can't drive one of these cars to its potential on the streets. It's like buying a Triple Crown winning horse for your 5-year-old to go for pony rides. What a waste. This GTO, now that's more like it. Well, thanks for watching. Can't wait for spring. Please respect each other's lives out there on the road. And we all want to get home in one piece.